Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are doing practice for MCQ questions based on surface area and volume. We've already finished some questions from cuboid and cubes. So today we'll do some questions from cylinders. It is for classes 8, 9, 10 and as well as for competitive examination. So let us begin. So this is about formulas. We have to refresh our memory. One is your curved surface area is your 2 pi RH square unit. Total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h square unit. Volume is pi r square h. So this is a cylinder. You can find that there are two plane surface. One is in the bottom, one is at the top, and both are your circle, and this is your curved surface area, the sides of this cylinder. So now what is the area of this circle? It is pi r square. Base area is pi r square and top area is also pi r square, and curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. It is two dimension. One is radius of this circle, this is r, and another is your height. Height is denoted by h. So what is your curved surface area? It is 2 pi rh and it is expressed in square, you know. Now coming to total surface area, so side is 2 pi rh and both the side you are getting pi r square and pi r square. So total gives you 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. So taking 2 pi r common, you are getting r plus h. So you can write separately or you can combine. And volume is pi r square h. It is cubic unit. So ready for the test? Ready for the questions? Yes. Question number 1. The diameter of a base of a cylinder is 6 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is 198, 396, 495, 297. Options are given. You have to find the answer. So diameter is given, not radius. And you know that diameter means it is twice your r. So twice of r is 6. This gives you radius is equal to 3 centimeter. And height is equal to 14 centimeter. So what is volume? Volume is equal to pi r square h. Just now we learnt or recapitulated. So this will be 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 approximately. R square means I will multiply r 2 times r square and h is 14. So you know 7 you can make lowest by 2. So next is multiply 22 3 times 66. So I'll multiply 22 multiplies your 3 into 9 2 times 18. You will multiply 18 2 times 36 carries 3. 18 2 times gives you 36 plus 3 396. 396 centimeter cube. Is there any answer? Yes. B is answer. Now coming to next question. The diameter of a cylinder is 28 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. What is its curved surface area? So again diameter is given. So you have to get radius is equal to half of it. It will be 14. Next what is height? Height is equal to 20 centimeter. Then curved surface area was the formula. This is 2 pi rh. So this is very simple calculation. So this will be 2 multiplies pi is 22 by 7 approximately. Radius is 14 and h is 20. So 7, 2 times 14. Now you multiply. 22 multiplies your 4 multiplies 20. So how much it will be if we multiply 88 into 20? This gives you 1760 centimeter square. Where is the answer? B is the answer. So B is correct answer. Next question. If the curved surface area of a cylinder is 1760 and base radius is 14, then what is the height? Options are 10, 15, 20, 40. So 2 pi r h is equal to 1760 and radius is given 14. So let us put 2, what is pi, 22 by 7, what is radius, 14, what is h is not given, let it be h is equal to 1760. So this is 0. This gives you h is equal to, so how to simplify? The denominator 7 will be multiplied to the numerator and all the numerator will be multiplied in the denominator because we are dividing. So no need of multiplying first all this. So write as I am writing. So this will give you simple calculation. Now come for the cancellation. 7, 2 times 14. Then you can either divide with 2, 2, 2 or directly you can divide with 11 also, 22 also, anywhere. So I am dividing with 11. 11 1 times 11, 11 6 0. 11 2 times. So what I am getting? 160. I am writing clearly here. It will be 8. So 8 2 times 16 20. So answer is 20 centimeter. Where is the answer? C is the answer. So C is answer of this question. Next, height of a cylinder is 14. Curved surface area is 264 centimeters square. The volume of the cylinder is, options are 380, 396, 1232, 1848. Is it correct? No, because it should be Q. The unit is mistaken. It should be Q. So H is equal to 14. Curved surface area means 2 pi r h is equal to 264 centimeter square. I'm not writing the unit because I'll find the answer quickly. Because for 1 mark questions, you are given less time. R is not there, so let it be R. H is 14 is equal to 264. In the same way, I'll do, I can 7 with 2, then I'll separate R, I'll keep R on the left side. So all the numbers I'll divide on the right side. This is a easy way. Instead of multiplying, you can write. So you can cancel now. 2 times your 132. Again, if you divide 2, you'll get 66. And 22, 3 times your 66. So 3 centimeter is the answer. Where is 3? Oh, we have to get the volume. We got only radius. Next, we'll go for the volume because the question is about volume, not radius. Volume is equal to pi r square h. So what is pi? 22 by 7. What is r square? 3 multiplies 2 times. What is h? H is equal to 14. 7 2 times gives you 14. So now multiply 22 multiplies 3, 3 9 to 18. Multiply again. So 18 2 times 36 carries 3. 18 2 times 36 plus 3, 396. This will be 396 centimeter cube. Where is the answer? Your B is the answer. So B is correct answer. Next question number 26. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is equal to 264. Volume is 924 meter cube. Curved surface is 264 meters square. The height of the pillar is, options are 4, 5, 6, 7. No R is given, no H is given, only the areas volumes are given. So no problem. We have to find a way. So this is a critical thinking question. So 2 pi r h is equal to your 264. And other expression is volume. Volume, you know, this is pi r square h is equal to 924. Now, what I'll do, I'll divide here. What I'll divide? I'll write pi r square h division your 2 pi r h. Then automatically here I'll write 924 division 264. Now why I'm doing? Because I can cancel h, only r will remain from here. So let us go now. So h will be cancelled, pi cancel. So I'm getting r square by 2 into r is equal to 924. 924. Now I'll cancel these two number with 11. Now how do I know? See, 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. 9 plus 4 is 13, and 2 if we subtract, it is multiple of 11. You have already learnt how to find a number is divisible by 11. So this number is 924 is divisible by 11. In the same way, 264, if we'll add these 246, it gives the same number with the middle one. It is also divisible by 11. So I am cancelling with 11. 924 when divided by 11 gives you 11 8 times 88, 4 4, 11 4 times, so 84. Next I'll go for 264. 264 is easy. 11 2 times, 11 4 times. So now see the left hand side. What is r square? R square means your r multiplies by r is equal to 84 by 24. I can cancel again also. So next is I'll cancel r. So this gives me r is equal to 84 into 2 by 24. So you will cancel 2 24, I'll get 12. Next is 12, 7 times gives you 84. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. After getting r, I'll put r in this curved surface area. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7. H is not there, let it be h is equal to 264, or h is equal to how much? 7 7 I can cancel. H is equal to 264 divided by 2 into 22. So you can cancel now. How much it will be? 2 132 and 22. If you divide, you'll get 6. So I'll suggest you to learn the multiplication table of 22, because in surface area and volume many times you will get a cylinder cone. This one 22 division will be there. So let us learn multiplication table of 22 so that it will easy for you for calculation. So 6 meter, not centimeter. I am wrong. It will be meter. So C is the answer. Next, the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Their heights are in ratio 5:3. Now you have to find the ratio of their curved surface area. There are two cylinders. One is one radius and second radius are in ratio 2:3. When it is given in ratio, we generally take 2x and 3x. Is it so? Yes. Similarly, heights are in ratio 5:3. Height are ratio 5:3. So there I won't take x multiple, I'll take 5y and 3y. Now coming to the ratio of surface area, options are 2 is to 5, 8 is to 7, 10 is to 9 and 16 is to 9. So here the radius is your 2x, for second the radius is 3x, and for first the height is 5y, for second the height is 3y. You have to write the curved surface area and take the ratio. So curved surface area of first cylinder is equal to 2 pi r 2x and h is equal to 5y. In the same way, you can write for second one, for CS2, that means it is for second one. So 2 pi into 3x multiplies, the height is 3y. Radius is 3x, height is 3y. 3y. Now take the ratio. So ratio will be 2 pi 2x 5y whole upon 2 pi 3x into 3y. So 2 cancel, pi cancel, x cancel, y cancel. Now multiply the numbers. 2, 5 times 10, 3, 3 times 9. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 10 is to 9. So C is answer. Next, the radii of two cylinders are in ratio 2 is to 3 and the height is ratio 5 is to 3. Find their ratio of the volumes now. The ratio of the volumes. Radius are its ratio 2 is to 3. Heights are in ratio 5 is to 3. You have to find the ratio of the volume. The options are 27 is to 20, 20 is to 27, 4 is to 9, 9 is to 4. So first radius is your 2x, second radius is 3x. These are the radius or radii. Then heights, what I'll write? X? No, 5y and 3y. Now volume 1 by volume 2. Directly I'm writing now. Volume is pi r square means r I'll multiply 2x for the first one 2 times r square into h your 5y, not 3, 5y whole upon, coming to second one, radius is your 3x, so I'll multiply 2 times, and height is your 3y, I'll multiply 1 times. This will be 3x, I should not make a mistake. This will be 3x, this will be 5y. This is 5y, height is 5y, first one, and this is your 3x. But to cancel, you know how to cancel. Pi cancelled, x cancelled, x cancelled, y cancelled. Now multiply the numbers. So 2 multiplies 2, 4 multiplies 5, 20. Then 3 multiplies 3, 27. What is the ratio? Ratio is 20 is to 27. Where is the answer? B is answer. Next question. The ratio between the radius of the base and height of a cylinder is 2 is to 3. That means this question is about one cylinder only. Here, the radius and the height are in ratio 2 is to 3. So what I'll take, we'll take radius as 2x and height as 3x. Both we can take x. The volume is given to us, and you have to find the total surface area. Options are 308, 462, 540, 770. So radius is 2x, height is 3x. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to pi r square. R square means 2x whole square into height. Height is equal to 3x. This is given 1617. then we have to find x, then we'll go for radius and height, then we'll go for total surface area. So v is equal to 22 by 7 multiplies 4x square into 3x is equal to 1617. Or now x square into x, this gives you x cube, is equal to numbers I am taking to right side. So 7 will be multiplied in the numerator and 22, 4, 3 will be multiplied in the denominator. Next we'll simplify. Now how to simplify? Here either you can cancel 1617 with 3 or with 11. 22, 4 into 3. So let us simplify first 3. So 3 5s are 15. Carries 1. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 1 6 1 7 divided by 3. 3 5 times 15. 1 1. 3 3s are 9. 2 3 7. 3 9s are 5. 3 9. So it will be 5 3 9. Next I'll cancel with your 11. Okay, so 539 divided by 11. 11 4 times 44, 9 11 9 times. So I am getting here 2, here 49. So I am getting x cube is equal to 49 multiply 7 by your 8. So I have to get your x. So x will be cube root of 49 into 7 by 8. Cube root of 8 you know, that is 2. But what is numerator? 49 means your 7 into 7. So in the numerator I am getting 3 sevens. And similarly I am getting 2 twos, 3 twos. So x is equal to 7 by 2. Now x is equal to 7 by 2. Then coming to radius. Radius is equal to twice x. So it will be 2 into 7 by 2. That will be 7 centimeter. Now coming to height. Height is equal to 3x. So 3 into 7 by 2. That will be 21 by 2. Now I'll coming to total surface area. So this will be 2 pi r within bracket r plus h. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 multiplies by r is your 7. 7 plus 21 by 2. So cancel 7 7 44 multiply. Simplify this. 2 will be LCM. 2 7 times 14. 14 plus 21 35 by 2. Now cancel 44 with 22. Multiply your 35 into 22. How much will be the answer? The answer will be 70, 70, 770. So 770 centimeter square is the answer. Where is it? D is the answer. So D is answer. Question number 30. Two circular cylinders of equal volume have their heights in the ratio 1 is to 2. The ratio of their radii is 1 is to root 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4. So their heights are given. First height, let it be x. Ratio are 1 is to 2. So first height is your x and second height is equal to twice x. And the radii r1, r2 we don't know. But the volume is equal. V1 is equal to V2. So what is B1? B1 is equal to pi r square. R1 square into, what is R1? I've taken for first cylinder, the radius is R1. And for second cylinder, radius is R2. And here H1, here H2, which is your X and twice X. So R1 square into X, H1 is X. And B2 is how much? It will be pi R2 square into 2X. And B1 is equal to B2. So let them make equal. So pi R1 square into X is equal to pi R2 square into twice X. So what to find out? We have to find out the ratio of radii. We have to find out R1 by R2. So I can cancel XX, pi I can cancel. So R1 square is equal to R2 square into 2. So I can write 2 R2 square. Now I am taking the square root, or I can R1 square by R2 square, but I am taking the square root. Square root of R1 square is equal to square root of 2 R2 square. Square root of R1 square is R1, and square root of 2 is root 2, and square root of R2 square is R2. Now I am writing the ratio. So R1 by R2 is equal to root 2. Root 2 means root 2 by 1. So what is the ratio? Ratio is root 2 is to 1. Where is the answer? B is answer. B is the answer. Now question number 31. Question number 31 is the ratio between the curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. Curved surface area by total surface area is equal to 1 by 2. Total surface area is 616. Then volume of the cylinder is 1078 centimeter cube, 1232 centimeter cube, 1848 centimeter cube, 924 centimeter cube. Ratio of the curved surface area to total surface area is 1:2. So let us take the curved surface area. It will be how much? 2 pi r h. Total surface area is 2 pi r within bracket r plus h. This ratio is equal to 1 by 2. So let us cancel. 2 cancel, pi cancel, 4 cancel. Or we are getting h by r plus h is equal to 1 by 2. Now I'll cross multiply. So I'll get r plus h. R plus h is equal to 2h. Or shifting h to right side, r is equal to h. So what relation we get? Radius is same as your height. Now coming to total surface area. So total surface area is 616. So 2 pi r within bracket r plus h is equal to 616. So in place of r, I can write h, or in place of h, I can write r. So 2 pi r within bracket r plus r is equal to 616, or 2 pi r multiplies by this gives you 2r is equal to 616, or I'm getting 4 pi r square is equal to 616. Let us find your r. 22 by 7, sorry, 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 616. Then what is r square? R square will be 616 multiply 7 by 4 into 22. Now you can cancel 4, 4 1 times 4, 2, 4 5 are 20, 4 4. And 22 table, it gives you 7. So I am getting r square is equal to 7 into 7. So what is r? R will be square root of 7 into 7. That will be 7. So I got r. Now h is also 7. Now coming to volume. What is formula for volume? I am writing here. I am writing volume. So now volume is equal to pi r square into h. So 22 by 7, what is r? R is equal to 7. So 7 into 7. H is also 7. H is also 7 because R is equal to H we have got. So into 7. Now 7, 7 cancel. So you will multiply 22 into 49. So how much it will be? 98. 2 multiply again 98. You are getting 8. 17. Carries 1. 1078. 1078. What is the answer? First one is answer. A is answer. So this is the volume. Next, 32. In a cylinder, the radius is halved and height is doubled. Then the volume will be. In a cylinder, radius is halved. That means originally, if the radius will be r, now it becomes r by 2. Similarly, if height was h, it becomes your 2h doubled. Then what will be volume? It will be same doubled halved 4 times. So now let us write original volume. So original volume will be how much? It will be pi r square into h. And new volume will be how much? It will be pi r by 2 square into h will be twice h. Let us simplify. This will be pi r square by 4 into twice h. Cancel 2 by 2. So how much I am getting? I am getting pi r square h by 2. Previously it was pi r square h. Now it is pi r square h by 2. That means it will be half pi r square h. Half of this. So this will be, what is the answer? It will be halved. C is answer. 33. The number of coins 1.5 centimeter in diameter, 0.2 centimeter thickness be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 centimeter, diameter is 4.5 centimeter. Then how many numbers of coins have to be melted? 540, 450, 380, 470. So these are coin. Its thickness is 0.2 centimeter and radius is 1.5 by 2 because it is given diameter. So radius will be 1.5 by 2. So how many coin will be melted to form a big cylinder of height 10 meter, 10 centimeter, diameter is 4.5 centimeter. That means we'll divide volume of this big cylinder divided by volume of your coin. Anything is melted and new things is made. That means the volume remains same. So first I'll write volume of big cylinder. Big is equal to pi into radius is how much? 4.5 by 2 centimeter. So 4.5 by 2 square, I am writing it twice instead of making it square, and height is equal to 10. Now volume of coin, each coin is equal to pi, and radius is 1.5 by 2. How many times I will multiply 1.5? Why I am multiplying pi? This because the radius is, the volume is pi into r square into h. That means r is multiplied 2 times. H is how meter? 0.2 centimeter. So just divide. So number of coins is equal to pi into 4.5 by 2 multiplies 4.5 by 2 into 10, whole divided by pi into 1.5 by 2, 1.5 by 2 into 0.2. First, pi cancel. I'll cancel this 2 as denominator, 2 as denominator. Next, I'll go for 1.5 and 4.5. If you'll cancel, it gives you 3. In the same way, 15, 3 times 45, so 1.5 multiply 3 times gives 4.5. Next is, it will be 10.2. If I want it to make it whole number, then it will be 2 by 10. So 10 will be multiplied again. So I can write how much it will be. Number of coins will be 3. 3 times 9 into 10 divided by 2 by 10, or this 10 will be multiplied here, 9 into 5 into 10. How much? It will be 450 coins will be needed. B is answer. Now your 34. The radius of a wire is decreased to 1/3. The volume remains the same. The length will be. So this wire means it is a cylinder, but it is a very thin cylinder. And here the height we call as your length of the cylinder. The question is radius decreased to 1/3. If originally it was r, after changing it becomes your r by 3. And volume, both the case remain the same. So certainly when r by 3 will be there, so it will be longer, height will be more. So let us write the volume for everything. So here originally volume was pi r square into h. Oh, I have not read the questions completely. The radius of wire is decreased to 1/3. If volume remains the same, the length will be 2 times, 3 times, 6 times, 9 times. Can you guess? Okay, we'll do. So here the volume is pi into r by 3 square into, here I am writing capital H. Here I am taking length as h. And r is equal to r by 3, which is decreased by 1 to 1/3. So these two volume remain same. So pi r square into h is equal to pi r square by 9 into capital H. Pi cancel, r square and square cancel. So you are getting how much? Small h, original h is equal to new h by 9, or new height is equal to 9 into original height. So new length is 9 times original length. So which one will be the answer? Answer will be D. Next, question number 35. The diameter of a roller 1 meter long is 84 centimeter. If it takes 500 complete revolution to level a playground, the area of the playground is 1440 meter square, 1320 meter square, 1260 meter square, 1550 meter square. Roller. You must have seen roller. When it rolls, that means it your level with the curved surface area. So in one revolution, it one revolution it levels 2 pi RH, its curved surface area. Once it revolves, that means 1 2 pi RH. So let us find what is given. 1 meter long. I told you long means this is your height, long length or long. So h is equal to 1 meter here, and diameter is 84 centimeter. So radius is 84 by 2, that will be 42 centimeter, but we'll convert into meter, thus it will be 0.42. Next is it is revolving 500 complete rotation. So it will cover 2 pi r h into 500. So first I'm getting 2 pi r h. So 2 into curved surface area, that is your this area covered by one revolution. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.42 multiplies 1. So this is the for 1. Now it will revolve 500 times. So I'll multiply 500 times here. So it will be 44 by 7 multiply 0.42 into 500. So I'll write 44 by 7. Here I am separating this 5. It will be 5 into 100 into 0.42. Now I am multiplying 0.42 with 100 to make it 42. So 44 by 7 into 5 into your 42. Now I will cancel with 6. So it will be 44 multiplies your 30. I'll multiply 3 with 44. It will gives you 132 and 1 0 is there, meter square. So what is the answer? B is the answer. Question number 36. 2.2 decimeter cube of lead is to be drawn into cylindrical wire of 0.50 centimeter in diameter. Find the length of the wire 110, 112, 198, 124. So volume, this is decimeter cube. That means it is the volume. Volume of the lead, it is a metal. It will be drawn into wire. It will made into wire which is in form of a cylinder, very thin cylinder. Here R is equal to zero point 0.5 by 2 because diameter is given. This is radius and this volume is equal to 2.2 decimeter cube, and you have to find the length of the wire. That means you have to find the height of the cylinder. So V is given 2.2 decimeter cube, R is given 0.5 by 2 centimeter. You have to get your length. Then what I'll do, I'll convert this decimeter cube into centimeter. How to convert this? So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So I'm writing this 2.2, it is meter decimeter cube, means I'll multiply 10 into 10 into 10. This volume is equal to pi 22 by 7 r square 0.5 by 2. I'm writing all the things in centimeter, 0.5 by 2 into your height L. So this is the expression. You have to find your h. So h will be how much? 2.2 into 10. I can make it 22 into 100, and 7 I'll multiply in the numerator. 2 will multiply in the numerator. 2 multiply in the numerator. And what will the denominator? It will be 22. This will be all denominator. Because I have written 22 by 7 into 0.5 by 2. 0.5 by 2 in, into h is equal to your 2.2 into 10,000. So h is equal to 22 into 0.5 into 0.5. So 22 cancel. So how much it will be? It will be 0.25 centimeter. Now 0.25 divided by 100. So I can write this will be 400. Now you multiply. How much it will be? It will be 7, 2 to 4, 4, 16, 112, 100 centimeter. But how much in meter? It will be 122 meter. So what is the answer? B is answer. Question number 17. The lateral surface area of cylindrical is pi r square h, pi r h, 2 pi r h, 2 pi r square h. So you know cylinder, it is same as your curved surface area. Lateral means, so C is the answer, 2 pi r h. So it will be continued. We'll discuss more question on cone. So keep on watching, and thank you for watching. And I'll be very happy if you learn and comment in the comment section that it is useful. So okay, bye then, till we meet again.